Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is another video for all of my jewelry lovers out there. As you know, I am obsessed with jewelry and I am so excited to share a jewelry subscription box from Talisa Jewelry. So this is a new subscription box and it is really cool. It's unlike anything else that I have ever seen, and I am no stranger to subscription boxes or even jewelry subscription boxes, but this one is really special. So if you are unfamiliar with Talisa, they are a jewelry brand and they specialize in personalized jewelry, but they do have a lot of other jewelry as well, especially lots of dainty pieces. And by personalized jewelry, I mean that you can personalize it with names, birth dates, or any other special date, zodiac signs, birthstones, pretty much anything that you can think of. And there's a lot of different designs for different jewelry personal styles out there. Their jewelry subscription box is called the Talisa Box, and I have one today that I'm going to unbox with you. I haven't looked at the pieces yet, so I'm really excited to see what they picked out for me. So basically, they include at least 3 hand-picked jewelry items from their stylists. The first step is to take their personal style quiz where you will choose what type of jewelry you like. So what do you wear? Do you wear necklaces, rings, earrings, bracelets? Do you prefer gold or silver, or do you like both? What is your jewelry style? What are some pieces that speak to you? It also asks for your sizing information, and there's a little space where you can put any requests or styles that you like in particular. This is what it looks like. It takes just a few minutes, but they ask a lot of different questions to ensure that they get pieces that they know you will love, and they really try to get items that are in line with your personal style. So for mine, I really like both gold and silver. I have more gold in my jewelry collection than I do silver, but for some reason I've been gravitating more towards silver lately. And I also did request like some pink and heart-shaped items. I also left the initials for my husband, which is E for me and then J for him. And I also included that I loved items like pearls and anything really dainty and pretty and feminine and romantic. And I just tried to give them an idea of what my personal style is and the type of jewelry that I tend to gravitate towards. For each box, you pay a $20 styling fee, and this does include the shipping and handling as well as curating the pieces from your personal jewelry stylist. Once you receive the items, you have 7 days to look over everything, try them on, and see if you want to keep any of the jewelry. And for anything that you don't want to keep, they do have a prepaid shipping label included, and you don't have to keep anything at all if you don't want to, or you can keep everything in the box. And if you do decide to keep any of the items, your $20 styling fee will actually be credited toward whatever you decide to keep. And of course, leaving feedback for your stylist about the pieces that they choose for you is always welcome. The Talisa Jewelry subscription box would be perfect for any of my jewelry lovers out there, but it would also make an amazing gift as well. It would also make an amazing Mother's Day gift. I know we're like quite a ways off from that, but I think it would be really great for that as well. And now that we are acquainted with Talisa, let's go ahead and take a look at my Talisa box and see what items they chose for me. I do want to mention that this is my very first experience with them, so I have never tried their jewelry before. I have no idea what to expect, and I've never tried a subscription box quite like this because the pieces can actually be customized. Like, you can use your own initials, or you can use the names of your children or your significant other, things like that. You can customize it with different birthstones and zodiac signs and completely customize it to you in a way that makes sense. And I have just never seen anything like that in a subscription box, so I'm really excited to see what we have. Dun, dun, dun. So here is the box. They included a little card and it has my name on it. How beautiful is that? It's handwritten as well. I love when there's little personal touches like that. It just makes my heart so happy. And in my box, I have 3 pieces and each one is in a little box. They look so cute. So this little card, I did open it because I was curious to see what it was. It has the shipping label in it, and it also has a little personal message from my stylist. So her name is Kira. I think it's Kira. I hope these pieces are a good match for your style. Try them on and let me and the team know if we got it right. And then it has the instructions on here. And oh, this is, I think this back page is like a list of what they included, but I don't want to look at that because I want to be surprised. Okay, so let's take a look at my first piece. Here's a look at the box. Really cute. Love the metallic branding. And it has a little drawer. Let me pull it out. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so this one is a little pearly piece. I'm not sure if it's, I think it might be a necklace. Yes, it is a necklace. How pretty. So it looks like it's sterling silver with some dainty little pearls. This is so cute. And here is a closer look. How beautiful. I love how dainty it is. I love the little pearls, and I love the little glimmer of silver. This is so feminine and beautiful. And I really love the length. It looks like a choker length. I feel like this would be so pretty to layer with other necklaces as well. Let's go ahead and try it on. This is the pearl blue necklace, and it's in sterling silver, but it also does come in a gold-plated version and an 18-karat gold vermeil version as well. The length is 16 inches with a 2-inch extension. It includes dainty pearls and a delicate silver chain that just glistens in the sunlight. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love how feminine and dainty and romantic this is. I feel like it's a great wearable piece for every day, but you can also use it as a dressier piece for more formal occasions as well. This beauty can easily be worn alone or layered with other necklaces for a unique look. So far, we are starting off on the right foot. This is so pretty, and even though it is completely my style, it's not something I would normally choose for myself. This is super dainty and it's a bit understated, and normally I would go for more like maximal statement pieces, and this is just very, very delicate, but I think it is so pretty, so feminine, so elegant. I love it. Moving on to number 2, and in this one, oh, that is so pretty. This was actually on my wish list, and I don't know if it's a bracelet or if it's a necklace. How beautiful is that? It's a bracelet. This is so beautiful and dainty. I love the colors, and the stones are heart-shaped, which I also love. I adore heart-shaped jewelry, heart-shaped anything. Here is a closer look. Oh my gosh, look how much it sparkles. It is so, so beautiful. I am obsessed. This is so cute. I love the little hearts. I love the colors. So it's pink and white. Oh my gosh, this is just the cutest thing ever. This is the Talisa Hearts Birthstone Bracelet in sterling silver. It also comes in an 18-karat gold-plated version as well, and you can customize with up to 7 different birthstones. This bracelet has white crystal for the April birthstone and crystal pink tourmaline for the October birthstone, but my birthday's actually in June, which is crystal alexandrite. But I just fell in love with the pink and white color combo. And even though this is a birthstone bracelet, you can absolutely just choose some colors that you like or colors that go with your wardrobe. I have a lot of pink, and yeah, I have a lot of pink and lots of like pastels and florals and things like that. So I felt like this specific color combo would go with pretty much everything in my wardrobe, and this would be a great everyday bracelet. Overall, I just love how dainty it is. I love the little hearts. I love the colors. And I just think it is so beautiful and feminine and delicate, and I just want to wear it every day. I think that this is probably my favorite piece so far. I really love both of them, but this was on my wish list, and I'm so glad that they included it in my Talisa box. And now we are at the last piece. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh Oh my gosh, how beautiful. How pretty. Okay, so this is a necklace and it has a little locket in the shape of a heart and it has E+J. How adorable is that? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it's so sparkly. Here is a closer look. The chain is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. It just sparkles and I love the little heart shape. I don't know if you can see the initials because they're pretty dainty, but that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I've never seen a piece of personalized jewelry, especially like just for me, in a subscription box. How pretty. Let's try this on. This is the Ties of the Heart initial necklace in 18 karat gold vermeil, but it also comes in sterling silver, gold plated, and 14 karat solid gold. You can choose up to 3 initials or characters to engrave on the necklace. This is the perfect everyday necklace. I feel like it would go with so much. You could wear it with your casual outfits for day to day, and you could also style it for more formal occasions. It's just really, really beautiful and so well made, so sparkly, so dainty, and so feminine and so meaningful, and I love that. I love that it has our initials on here. That makes it even more special, and this one is definitely going to be one that I treasure. I think this one actually might be my favorite. It's so cute, but to be honest, I really love all of the pieces. I think they are all totally my style. They are all super feminine, very dainty and delicate, and they have a little bit of a romantic vibe to them, and these are all pieces that I can easily wear with my everyday outfits, and I feel like they really match my style. I feel like my stylist, Kira, did such a great job curating this box for me, and I really love all of the pieces that I received, and I know I'm going to get so much wear out of them. Overall, I'm really impressed. I love all of the items that they included in my Talisa box. They did a great job picking out items for my personal style, which in the past I have tried some subscription boxes and they have just not gotten it. But they got it on the first try. Oh my gosh, I just love everything. I'm really, really impressed with them. I'm impressed with the quality. Everything is so beautiful, and this will definitely not be my last experience with Talisa jewelry. They have so many pretty pieces, and I'm excited to add more into my collection in the future. If you want to try out the Talisa box for yourself, I do have a link down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. Let me know what you think, and feel free to leave a comment. Which item was your favorite from this box? I really love all of them, but I feel like the heart necklace stole my heart. And I think it's because of the initials on there. It's just very special, and I know that I'm going to have this piece forever, and I know my husband's going to love it as well. It's just one of those meaningful pieces that is just so precious and so beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a big thumbs up below, and don't forget to share and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the community, and if you are a jewelry lover like myself, make sure you check out my jewelry playlist right here. I have lots of declutter videos, jewelry collection videos, things of that sort. I think you will really enjoy it. And if you love feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, LIZZIEINLACE.com, and don't forget to follow along on my pretty pink Instagram at LIZZIEINLACE. I will see you next time. Bye!